we're trying to find t, and t is positive. So what you want to eventually end up with is with two equations with the same two variables. Right now you got three variables. Let's take this third equation and solve it for r. R would be 69 minus p. Now let's take this expression 69 minus p and plug it in here. So 69 minus p equals 6t minus 5. Now notice how you have a p and a t and a p and a t. So we're going to eventually put these two equations together. So this is negative p equals 6t minus 74. And let's make that p equal negative 6t plus 74. And now let's take this expression for p and substitute it in here. So that's negative 6t plus 74 equals 3t squared plus 2. This is a quadratic equation, so you're going to get 0 on one side. That's 0 equals 3t squared plus 6t minus 72. And let's divide every term on both sides by 3. That's going to make it easier to factor. That's 0 equals t squared plus 2t minus 24. And then when we factor this, we get a t and a t and a 6 and a 4. And that would be a negative, and that would be plus. That factors right. This gives you t equal negative 6, which is wrong. And t minus 4 equals 0. That means t equals 4. I didn't say it, but when you've got these factors, t plus 6 times t minus 4 equals 0, the only way you can multiply two things together and get zeros if one of them is 0. So either the t plus 6 had to be 0 or the t minus 4 had to be 0. So we threw out that negative. Answer's 4.